Welcome to the podcast. Today we dive into a fascinating topic, secure execution of untrusted code using microsandbox. Let's jump right in.
Thanks for having me. Microsandbox is designed to let you run code you don't fully trust. Very useful in many scenarios.
Absolutely. Can you share why traditional methods of running such code are problematic?
Sure, running code locally can compromise your entire system if a single malicious script is executed.
That sounds risky. What about using containers?
Containers can still be vulnerable due to shared kernels. Sophisticated attacks may break out.
And virtual machines are an option too, right? But they have their downsides?
Yes, VMs often require long boot times, up to 10 seconds. It's a productivity killer.
So how does microsandbox solve these problems?
Microsandbox combines the best elements. It offers true VM isolation with micro VMs and instant startup, less than 200 milliseconds.
That's impressive. But what does self-hosted mean for users?
Self-hosting means you maintain complete control over your environment and data, which is critical for security.
Got it. Let's talk about the tech side. How does someone get started with microsandbox?
It's simple. First, install the microsandbox server with a quick command. Then install the SDK in your preferred language.
What languages can developers use with this SDK?
Right now, we support Python, JavaScript, Rust, and more. We're also expanding support for additional languages.
That's cool. Can you give an example of using the SDK to run code?
Of course, in Python you can create a sandbox, run a script, and get output without risk to your local system.
And that means it's safe to test untrusted code. What else can it be used for?
Definitely. It's great for coding environments, data analysis, and even web browsing agents.
Tell me more about that. How can AI agents use microsandbox for coding?
AI can quickly set up development environments, manage dependencies, and even run tests, all safely contained.
That sounds incredibly efficient. What about data analysis?
Exactly. AI can process data, create visualizations, and generate reports, all without risking privacy.
Impressive. And I can see how these features can make the development process smoother.
Absolutely. And it's not just coding, but web automation and instant app hosting too.
Instant hosting? That sounds useful.
Yes, users can share apps or demos immediately without complex deployment setups.
Before we wrap up, what's a final takeaway for our listeners?
Microsandbox is about safety, speed, and flexibility in running untrusted code. It's a game changer.
Thank you. Today we explored microsandbox and its innovative approach to code security. Until next time.